Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok post. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, of course, we have to open up our TikTok application, and then you can go to your TikTok profile by clicking on this profile menu. Okay, and you just need to choose the post or the TikTok video you want to delete from your profile. And I'm just going to pick a random post from here. For example, this one. You can tap on the post you want to delete, and then you can click on the three dots, and then the delete option will be here. You just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find this delete menu. Tap on that to delete your TikTok post, and then you will get this like reminder. You'll be able to restore posts within 30 days from Activity Center in settings. And I'm just going to delete my post. Okay, and you can refresh your TikTok page. I mean your TikTok profile if the post is still there. Okay, now my post has been deleted, and I'm going to show you guys how we can restore the deleted post on TikTok, just in case if you change your mind. If you want to restore the deleted post or video, you can go to the TikTok setting. You can click on those three dots, the three lines on the top right, and select the settings and privacy. Okay, and here you can go to the activity center. All right, and then go to the recently deleted. Okay, and this is the post I have just deleted from my profile. If we want to restore it, we can tap on that, and then we can simply click on restore, and we'll get this question and just click on restore. Okay, and now the TikTok post has been restored, and I'm going to go back to my profile to check the result. Okay, now I can get back the post I have just deleted, this one. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to click on the three dots to delete the post and click on this delete option. And then the post will be added to the recently deleted in the account center. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete TikTok post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!